Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Friday morning Banao Bharat's live session. Here we go with the Friday settlement, beginning of the second settlement of December. Yesterday we have finished the first settlement of December. Opening has been weak and opening trend has also been on the negative side. Let us quickly look into some of the charts. This is the chart of Nifty. This is the intraday charts of Nifty. Here we see opening in the red and continuously going down. It has already broken yesterday's lows in the very first candle itself. From there on, it has been continuously going down. It is almost now closer to day before yesterday's low of 18,721. This is the Nifty opening chart pattern. Here comes the Bank Nifty. Opens lower, stays for some time within the range. It is trying to determine the trend and then finally gives up and goes down and very close to day before yesterday's low of 43,152. It has made a low of 43,161. Opened at around 43,387, but it's not able to sustain, now quoting at around 43,200. This is the chart of Bank Nifty, currently at 43,200, well below yesterday's lows, and opening trend has also been on the downside. Nifty opens at around 18,950, does not cross 19,000, continuously goes down and now trading at around 18,770. Today's chart, Nifty is much weaker than the Bank Nifty. Nifty is about 1% down, whereas Bank Nifty is about 0.6% down. So currently Nifty trading at around 18,770 and very close to day before yesterday's low of 18,721. We don't know if it cuts 18,721 or will it take the support from here and starts some kind of a pullback. Markets in general have opened weak and have been going down in the last couple of hours. Let us, if required, we'll just look into the hourly candle of Nifty also. After making a high of 18,998, that was yesterday. Yesterday it made a high of 18,998 and from there on it has been continuously coming down. Whole of yesterday, if you see, it tried to stay within the range for some time, but then it gave up and closed slightly negative. But today's movement has been very prominent and it has been significant downside has been covered in today's movement. This is the hourly chart pattern of Nifty. We will just once look into the daily pattern. 18,998 all-time high in Nifty futures chart. From there on, this is the first candle which is going down. So maybe couple of more candles will be there before it tries. It is from the recent lows of 18,030, it has made a high of 18,998, which means there is about 1,000-point difference in Nifty itself, which can get covered even before any next signal comes. So if a small negative news can wipe out more than 400 to 500 points on Nifty in next couple of days, even with a small negative news, because the nearest level from where it has moved up is 18,030, which is like around 1,000 points difference from the highs and lows. If you see Nifty's second low is at around 16,927, which is, even if you take a 17,000, there is almost 2,000 points difference in Nifty starting from November 9th. We have seen a low of 16,927. From there on, it has taken a significant up move of 2000 points. This is the low. So we have seen a low of 16,927 on 13th of October. 13th of October onwards, Nifty has been in a stupendous uptrend and has gained over 2000 points. There would be some retracement back. How far we don't know, but there would be definitely some amount of retracement. Get ready for some of the downward movements. If you have long positions, exit out of them. If you have short positions, then hold on for the nearest support levels till where it might test. This is the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also has made a low of 17,354, 17,524 on 29th of September. I'm sorry, 37,524. From there on, 43,699. From 37,524 to 43,699, over 6,000 points. You can see how far the market has progressed in last 2 months. In last 2 months, it has been the biggest bull run in our Indian stock markets. It has made a recent high of 43,699 and now currently trading at 43,195. About 500 points from the highs, but long way to go to the nearest low levels, which is at 41,469. If you break 41,469, then the next nearest low level is 38,520. So these are all the possibilities. Whether will it do these movements, we don't know, but these are all the possibilities. It has started coming down. How far it might go, we don't know, but whether will it take a breather here and again cut the highs and keep going up, we don't know yet, but we can fairly be prepared to enter some short trades if you get some right levels. So this is the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty intraday very clearly in the downtrend looks like has taken the support of 43,152. It has made a low of 43,161 and now quoting at around 43,200. Same with intraday chart on Nifty. It is closer to the day before yesterday's support levels of 18,721. Will it take a breather? Will it start making some levels here, or will it continuously go down rest of the day? We need to wait and watch. If you have any positions in any of the stocks, you can write in the chat box so that we can help you with certain entry or exit levels as the need case. So this is with respect to the Nifty chart. We will quickly look into some of the intraday charts of cement stocks. ACC, very narrow movement, sideways. Ambuja Cement, sideways movement. Banao Bharat, upward trend. Even in this falling market, Dalmia Cement, you can see the graph of Dalmia Cement, November 30th, December 1st and December 2nd. All 3 days in the recent past, for the last 3 days, Dalmia Bharat has been relentlessly going up from 1700 levels to 1950 levels, about 250 rupees movement in last 3 days alone. This is the chart of India Cement, also in the uptrend, but today it has made a high and it has started already coming down. Shree Cement, very highly priced stock, not worth or not a safe option for retail traders. These are the stocks you need to take positions if you have sufficient capital or if you have nothing else to trade. Generally, for an intraday basis, you can fairly avoid these kind of stocks. I have already told in my previous videos what kind of stocks to choose for intraday trading. Intraday, stick to some 4 to 5 counters which are having good volume and good price action candles, so that you will get some entries and exits. Do not identify stocks which are very highly priced or very lowly priced, because the lot sizes also matter in case of futures trading. If you identify scripts below 100 rupees, then the lot size will be more, and a small movement of 1 rupee or 2 rupees also will cost you a lot if it goes against you actually. We'll quickly look into the banking stocks. This is banking stocks down and trying to make a recovery in Axis Bank, but not happening. Bandhan Bank opens higher, moves higher, loses its ground. Bank of Baroda opens higher, moves higher, now coming down. Canara Bank opens higher, moves higher, and now coming down. Federal Bank opens within the range and right from the beginning goes down. This is the chart of HDFC. Opens lower, goes lower, and stays lower. HDFC Bank opens lower, goes lower, and now currently trading towards the day's low of 1616. This is a chart of Kotak Bank. Opens lower and stays within the range. SBI opens within the range, tries to go up a little bit, crosses yesterday's high, does not sustain there, gives up all the gains and goes along with Bank Nifty index, and now trading around 6010, which is still not bad compared to the fall that we are seeing in Nifty and Bank Nifty. I would say some of the banking stocks have actually bucked the trend and staying afloat. This is the chart of IndusInd Bank. Not much movement. It has been in the sideways and very erratic price action. So this is the stock chart of IndusInd Bank. We'll quickly look into the Tata Chemical, Tata Group stocks. Slightly weak, made a lower levels. Maybe if it cuts 1036, there might be some trade. Tata Communication opens higher, goes higher. Tata Consumers, relentless fall from the beginning. 810 would have been the crucial level, which has been taken out in the very first candle, and from there on it has been continuously going down. Today trading at 803. Just look out for Tata Communication for some amount of selling. Has made a recent high of 824, has moved from 739 to 824. About 100 points movement has happened in last 1.5 months. Maybe some amount of correction expected in Tata Consumer stock now. Check out Tata Consumers on the downside. Tata Motors, not much movement on the daily charts. Tata Power, not much movement on the daily charts. Tata Steel has been breaking out interesting chart. Even in this falling market, Tata Steel has been going up. For the last 2 days it has been doing a good up move, and today is no different. Today also, in spite of Nifty and Bank Nifty falling so much, this stock has held its ground. It is now quoting at 112. Good stock to watch out for to trade on the long side. TCS, well, clearly looking downwards with all the red candles. Just check out some of the price action on the sell side for TCS. FMCG Group, Dabur, fall and now trying to break out. Gorget CP, very uneven movement. Hindustan Lever made good progress in the last few days, but today it's been one-sided on the downward slope. ITC, very close to yesterday's low levels. Yesterday it has made a low of 339.50 and today it is around 340, just 1 rupee above the yesterday's low. Jubilant Food, Titan. Titan has been falling since yesterday. Titan has already topped out much before the indexes. Indexes have been topping out since yesterday. But if you see, Titan's top has been at around 2802 and now quoting at around 2634. So 2802 to 2634, it has already made a lower low of 2780. This is the stock which is having a downward trend. Volta's short-term chart has been on the downward side since 1047 high to now 806 low. It has lost about 200 points in the last 2 to 3 months. Volta's not much stock for long-term investors. Bata India, kind of uneven movement. Asian Paint was also topped out at around 3580 and now quoting at around 3159. Asian Paint has been in the downtrend, and if Nifty resumes or continues its downtrend now, these stocks might again go further down. Watch out for all the FMCG stocks which had topped out much before the Nifty topping out. So along with Nifty going down, these stocks might resume its downward journey once again. So watch out for all the FMCG counters. In case you want to